up some of those for him, please.
And put it in a little bowl.
Hi! Hi! Hi, princess! Hi, babes. Good morning, good morning, good morning! Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. Give him in a bowl, not a plate. You guys, everybody's up and cracking and doing what we do around here, staying busy. I woke up this morning and wash because, as you guys know, my washing machine is broken. Same on the husband. Let's see you.
Good morning, guys. And because at 8 a.m. I heard her, I couldn't let her doing the things alone. So I have to wake up even before I wanted to sleep.
So I wash and babe put them out. I'm here making breakfast right now because I just finished washing. Babe put them out. Sarah is watching TV, though it's over for her nap time. Tyler is on his tablet and eating some grapes. But yeah, that's what we're doing around here. It's Saturday, so while Sarah go back to nap. It's on the table. Come and get it and you can go back and sit. What was I saying? When Sarah go to nap and I finish making breakfast, I'm going right back to lay down, I promise you. Just to relax. I don't want to sleep, but I'm going to relax. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the kids while I finish making breakfast. I'm making pancake and eggs real quick because that's what I feel for right now. Let's show you guys the babies. Who first? Let's show you guys. Tyler.
Wagwan.
Wagwan mayot.
Wagwan mayot.
Medaya mayot. Where you do mayot?
Midaya pani. Midaya mayot.
Where you do mayot?
Midaya pani go inside mayot.
Yeah. Alright, mayot. Where you eat mayot?
Coffee grapes.
Grapes is the same thing.
Hey.
Alright. Hello, princess. Hi. 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 Eh. Hi. 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 You watching TV? She's watching Bob the Train. I'm always in the kitchen, am I not? Every time you guys see me, I'm in the kitchen. But that's okay. I love being in the kitchen. I'm making lunch. I'm making lunch. I'm making a wrap for lunch today. Yeah, girl, a chicken wrap. Look at her dancing, look at her dancing. Look at her dancing. Look at her dancing. She loves jumping. You know that even in the bath when she showers and she jump. She's too funny. Look at her and her toothbrush. They brush her teeth now. Look at her, she's squatting. Let she dance, get she dance. You guys tell her taking a nap. That's why you're intense seeing him right now. You in Papa kiss? She gonna put it back on your head, watch her. Let her.
Sarah?
Oh, I'm tired.
Sarah?
Neptune et Uranus sont froides, mais ils sont dans la même boue que la Terre.
Ils sont froides parce qu'ils sont loin du soleil.
Mais ils sont dans les mêmes boues. Il y a un soleil dans tous les groupes. That's true. True. Yeah.
Somebody want to walk?
Wow. Come on.
Instead of saying tree, you're wrong. Not tree.
It's what? Plant. Okay, it's plant.
Not plant.
You guys, we left the house because I think I'm slowly transforming to a French. I want to go to the boulangerie to get French bread. I've been feeling for French bread all week. And today is the day where I'm going to get bread and probably pop one croissant in there somewhere. So we're walking to the boulangerie. That's up the street from where we live. We're not going too far and don't worry, we have our mask. There's nobody right now, so that's why we don't have our mask. So don't be too concerned in the comment section. Don't you hear me talking, love? Don't you hear me talking? What are you supposed to say? Inside.
It's not plant, it's plant because it's more than one.
Okay, Tyler, it's plants. Okay, thanks for the correction. And Sarah's walking. Isn't she the cutest with her little body strutting up the street? Come on, Mama.
Vitala.
She cute, no?
Vitala.
Okay, you guys, we're at the boulangerie. I'll show you guys what in there is looking like. See, everybody's social distancing and in their mask. Okay, you guys, so I'm showing you what the boulangerie look like here. So it have lots of yummy things. They're yummy on this side. There are sandwiches. Come. That's quiche. Different types of quiche. Different type of pastries. French pastries and donuts. No, stay with me. So we're gonna buy baguette, pain au chocolat. You want pain au chocolat, right? Okay. Take your hand from there.
Because we're taking instead of chocolate bread and croissant, right, Mama?
We're gonna prank him, but that's not true. Bonjour. Je veux 2 pains au chocolat et un croissant. Oh, so this is Tyler's favorite. That's my favorite. Yes. Oui. Et un baguette. Oui, oui. c'est bon. Merci. Au revoir. Dis au revoir. Tu dis au revoir. Ah, c'est papa.
Papa, regarde, on a acheté une baguette.
Okay, c'est bon.
Ooh, and it's warm. You guys, my kryptonite baguette. I love it.
Oh, honey, I find you have to 3, 4. The
It's expensive.
one.
So how about the smaller one?
No, there's the
The lime is worse? More expensive?
Oh, but I already put them.
They went to get lemon and chocolate milk, so we're going home. You guys, it's dinner time and we are having barbecue for dinner. I'm having salad, we're having fries, they're having fries. Hold on. Honey, the chicken finished?
Almost.
So give Tyler one sausage, Tyler one merguez.
You want nuggets,
And
Tyler?
there's merguez and they're doing
I changed my mind.
oh, you change your mind? Okay, okay. I'm waiting on the chicken. Carry the chicken. Listen, can you imagine the story that you're gonna have to tell Connor about all this pandemic drama and him being born during all of that? Kick, Sarah, kick! Look at her taking off her socks. Oh my God. Kick, Sarah. Tell her take off her socks for her. See, she take off one. Take off the other one. Kick, Sarah. Kick. Kick it to me. Come, Sarah. Come. Kick. Kick. Come. Come. Kick. Come. 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 Now move. Kick. 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 Tyler, take time. Kick. Tyler, wait until she throw it back.
Don't just take it. I'm going to give you. I'm not going to give you. Just take it.
Okay.
Sorry.
Go for my phone on the counter, carry come to me.
Counter? Here you can take it. I mean.
Sarah! 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 It's coming! Look at her with her socks in her mouth! Oh, good job, Mama! Sarah is coming!
Oh, you did a double flip, Mama.
I'm here editing and realized that I didn't even end the vlog properly. I didn't end the vlog any at all. One, after we got back from the boulangerie. The boulangerie is called a bakery in English. We got back from the bakery. I didn't show you, honey. I didn't show you guys what we got at the bakery because we were cooking and was on the phone with my family for like 3 hours. My nephew has been born. My brother son has been born. Another member of the family. I'm auntie again. And I'm also the godmother. Baby's the godfather of the new addition to our family. So I was talking to my sister-in-law, my brother yesterday for like 3 hours on the phone. So that's why you guys hear me like I wasn't really talking directly to you guys at dinner, because I was just multitasking like crazy. So I'm just coming out to tell you guys thanks for watching. Oh, and by the time we got home back from the bakery, it's just a little piece of the bread remain. We ate it off. Well, mostly me. No, babe?
Mainly you.
Mainly me. By dinner time, I thought I would be full, and I still ate a lot at dinner. Thank God I ate salad and I didn't go for the fries. But babe did barbecue outside for dinner, and I ate that with some salad and the last piece of the bread that remains. But we didn't eat the croissant until later. Though I didn't even get to show you guys what exactly the things look like that I bought, but I know you guys saw the bread, saw a piece of the bread. But yeah, the vlog was just all over the place, but I'm sure you guys understand. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy. Either ways, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. Baby's here. See you tomorrow, love.
See you tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.